Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can flip your video in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank project open, and I have imported a video, which I'll be using to edit, and I'll be placing it here by dragging and dropping it into the timeline here. Once it's here, what you need to do to actually flip the video is to actually select it. You can do it by either clicking on the video here in the preview, or you can click it on the timeline below, and now you can start flipping it. Now, you have one option, which is just to click and drag this sort of spiral arrow here or circular arrow, and you can flip it like this, and that is pretty much how you can flip your video upside down or flip it sideways. And if you want to keep the video for that like that for the entire duration, you don't need to do anything else. However, if you want separate frames to be flipped in a different position, you will need to use the split tool and then select each and every possible frame to actually flip it around, and make sure the actual pointer is there so that you can flip that one. And for example, as you can see, if I move it here and flip these two differently, as you can see, it changes like that. So that is one principle which you need to keep in mind. If you want to flip your video differently in different times or timestamps, you do need to split it around. However, I'll just be undoing everything since to flip the video, you can also do it horizontally and vertically by either clicking on here or here, and either right clicking it or clicking on the three dots above it. And as you can see, you have a flip option. You can flip it horizontally, as you can see, or you can flip it in a vertical plane, which is pretty much, as I mentioned, flipping it around. But as you can see, it is mirrored as well, so flipping actually does something different depending on what you want. But pretty much once you flip it, that is pretty much it. As I mentioned, make sure you split it up if you want it to be differently oriented for different parts and different frames. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.